What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I'm going to take a look at Turbo. Market's been relatively boring lately. Sometimes it gets that way during corrections. So we're sitting at 0.003781, down 3% on the day. Market cap 240 million. Got too much wax in my ear. It's all plugged up. 24-hour volume 65 million. So if we look at the chart, two scenarios. A wave C is a 5-wave move. So this could be the wave 4, and you're going to create a lower low in a 5. However, if we were to break up and break this wave 4 high, we could count this as an impulse. And basically what you look at is 1, 2, 3. If we break that high, then we can push up in the wave 3, 4, 5. And then that would be a confirmation of a bullish turnaround. But until then, if we fail to break that level, I would expect a lower low within this target zone before bouncing. That's really all there is to say right now. The market's moving sideways and very, very slowly. But once we start to break out of the level, then we can push up in our wave 3, which will take us up towards almost 2 cents, which will be incredible for our friend Turbo. So that's it. Just be patient. Wait for your trading opportunities. And we'll see if we can break that bullish level. If we fail to do so, we come down, create a lower low before we see that bounce back to the upside. For our friend Turbo, that is it for this one. If you want completely free access to my trade signals for crypto as well as Forex, all you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN. Top link in the comments. 10% back on every single trade on your fees. Available in North America as well. Once you make your first deposit, send me email. Completely free access to my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, and my exact Forex trade signals as well. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.